Hi guys, Coach Mary here. Today I'm going to share my favorite adult silver skating skills, figure skating exercises, specifically for power pulls. The focus is continuous flow and strength, and for test standards and expectations, we want to maintain flow and a rhythmic knee action. Also control your upper body and free leg. Remember to check out the description box for written instructions and to check out the full guide on my website. First, let's find our rhythmic knee action at the wall. Focus on the controlled free leg action here. We're bending at the beginning of the edge and we rise in the knee during the second half of the edge. Think about leaning your blade to create strong edges as well. Going backwards, we are going to bend at the beginning of the edge and rise during the second half as well. Keep your free toe behind the heel and stay on the front of your blade. Never ever swing your leg side to side. Forward to backward slaloms. Do 3 slaloms while staying on the heel. Do a 3 turn on 2 feet, remembering to rock and turn on the front of the blade. Then do 3 backward slaloms, now with the weight on the front of the blade. Then turn backwards on 2 feet. Forward slalom to power pull drill. Do 3 slaloms, then lift the free leg for 3 power pulls. Keep the rhythm going. Keep the body lean, blade lean, and rhythmic knee action. Never lock out your knee at the top. Now let's go backwards. Backward slalom to power pull drill. 3 slaloms backward, then lift the free leg for 3 power pulls. Bend and draw the free leg and think about pulling out to gain power on each edge. Lastly, we have my pie crust drill. We're going to isolate each edge on a large circle. Focus on maintaining an even rhythm, stable upper body, and a nice up and down action of your knee. The lobes will stay the same for each power pull. You can also do this on different edges and forwards and backwards. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and save, and see you guys next time. Happy skating!